The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Fe is built for performance and versatility. It features a 10.9-inch WQXGA display with 23:0 4x1440 resolution, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals for work, entertainment, and creativity. Available in 4 stylish colors, it lets you pick a look that suits your personality. The box includes a USB Type-C cable, an ejection pin, a quick start guide, and an S Pen, ensuring you have everything needed to get started. For capturing moments, it comes with a 12MP front camera for high-quality video calls and an 8MP rear camera for clear photos and videos. Powered by 6GB RAM and a Samsung processor, it delivers smooth multitasking, and with 128GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, you get ample space for apps, media, and files. With IP68 rated water and dust resistance, this tablet is built to withstand everyday challenges. The S Pen is included, allowing seamless note-taking, sketching, and navigation. Enjoy an immersive audio experience with dual AKG speakers, delivering rich and powerful sound. Its high brightness and excellent color accuracy enhance your viewing experience, ensuring vivid visuals even in bright environments. The 90Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling and a fluid user experience. You can choose between 2 different sizes, the 10.9-inch model with an 8000 mAh battery and the 12.4-inch model with a 10,090 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting power for work or entertainment. Available in multiple stylish colors, this tablet complements every lifestyle. Running on Android OS with Samsung's One UI, it offers a smooth and intuitive experience. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can browse, stream, and download effortlessly. Despite its powerful features, it remains lightweight at just 520G, making it easy to carry anywhere. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Fe is a perfect blend of performance, durability, and innovation, ideal for professionals, students, and entertainment lovers. The product link is in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it directly from Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brandtech Compare for more amazing gadget reviews and comparisons.